baby, we is in here now. Ain't no got time for no helping. We is in here.
I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Porchia Nicole here, and I am back with another video. I'm getting a late start today. It's already nighttime outside, but there are a few things that we're going to do. I do need to package some orders so I can get them shipped out. If y'all do not know, I do own a boutique, an online boutique, and it's called hotculture.com. So yes, the links for that will be down below. So like I said, yes, we're gonna get ready to prepare some orders. So I'm just moving into the living room so I can set up the area where I'm going to process the orders. This is the Rolo, and this is what prints the orders. And then I gotta go get the paper, which prints the labels. Now that is in the office, and the office is currently a damn mess. So I don't even want to show y'all what's going on in this office, but I do need to really start working from the office, so the stuff won't be all over the apartment. So this is the paper that goes in the Rolo, and you just turn on the Rolo like so. And you let the paper, and the paper will feed through the bag like so. The next thing that I normally do is I go to Shopify. So, and log in. I go to Shopify and log into my store. And then I can see how many orders that I need to fulfill. Make sure I don't show y'all nobody's personal information. And then I can see how many orders that I need to fulfill. What I normally do is start from the bottom, from the last ones that was ordered, and I will select like a few that I want to process today. Next, I want to go in, after I selected them, I want to go and create the shipping label. So basically what happens is I should like weigh it. That's like the correct thing to do, so I know how much it weighs, but I pretty much know that how much this is gonna weigh because I've been shipping so much. So as you can see here, they pay less. She paid $7 for shipping, but shipping is gonna be way more than that. I pay some of the shipping for my customers, so it won't be so high, because y'all know shipping will make a person exit the hell out. We're just changing the shipping. So her order is gonna be about 6 pounds. About 6 pounds. And to ship 6 pounds is $8.30. And you can see she paid $7, so I'm gonna pay the rest. And so I will basically go through that and do that for the rest of the people the rest of the 11 people that I selected, and then I will go over here and buy the label. So I will come back and show y'all what happens after we buy the label.
That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long.
packaging the orders, and this is just what I want to show y'all so far that I have got done. I'm going to do about 20 more, then I'm going to stop. Hey y'all. No, so y'all, it's I'm about to get ready to go out and get something to eat with one of my homegirls here. We about to go to this place called Azul. Like, I think it's called Azul something. Like, it's like a Hispanic restaurant. But yeah, we about to go there. You like literally, she got reservations here for 10:30, y'all. 10:30. But it's late, because I most definitely, that's late. But I'm telling you, every time I try to get a reservation here, it be like after 9 o'clock. Like every time. Like I don't care if I try to book it 3 weeks out. I don't care if I go right now to try to make an appointment here. I mean, book a reservation here. It's not going to be no appointment until 10 o'clock or 9 or something like that, because they are always super packed and I never understand it. But we're going to go here. We're gonna go there, eat a little bit, have a little girl talk, whatever the case may be, and then I'm gonna come on back home. So I'll let y'all know when I get to the restaurant. Yeah, y'all, so I made it to Azul and I'm with my girl. I'm mad that she said hi. Show them the view. I know, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all this restaurant. I should have showed y'all, like, y'all know I'm a horrible vlogger, so I was supposed to show you like coming in, the entrance and stuff, but I was late as usual, y'all know. So I ain't had time to do all that, but I'm gonna do it on the way out. I'm gonna show y'all. Look what we're sitting outside. Look, they got like some little thing over here and stuff. I want to go over there. Yeah, it's really pretty. I think she said that you can kayak and stuff down there. I know they have a boat. You can go on a boat ride and stuff. That's pretty cool. Okay, yeah. I normally get the queso fundillo or whatever that is, or whatever. Queso, whatever. I know I'm gonna get that because that is good. But I really need to try to get something different. That guacamole is good. I'm supposed to be on a damn diet, but I'm cheating for you tonight.
Yay! Yeah. No, I had the reservation, so I was like, listen, it's hard to get in here.
It is most definitely hard to get in here, like I was telling y'all in the car. I think last time we was here, we had the tower, because we want the tower.
Okay, the margarita tower?
You got to tell me the names of it, and I can remember what we had.
Okay, yeah.
What? Shit.
It's strong.
Oh, Lord.
Cheers. So for the margarita tower, we have tamarind, mango, spicy mango, kiwi, azul, and classic.
I think we did mango last time.
I love your eyeliner, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
I wish I can do it thin.
Oh, I can't.
I struggle
Oh,
so
you
much.
look now. See, when you look at my line, you gotta look at only one of them at one time, because they be different. I do not know how people get that shit the same. You know how to do liner? Girl, my shit be different.
I just started. And I get
so I think this is the one. I was sitting in the mirror, so I think this one is thinner.
Okay, yeah, that one.
Yeah, because I can't. They be different. That's why. But you only take pictures on one side, so it don't matter. Right.
That's true.
I'm that,
yeah, we have fried calamari. Do you want fried calamari?
That's for her. But I'm trying to decide, do I want the calamari do I want to be healthy and get the cold elote?
Elote?
Look, baby, we is in here now. Ain't no got time for no healthy. We is in here. Okay. We is in here. Okay, that's and I got time for that. Okay. Period. You put it over here. Wow. That's dope. Yeah, our drinks are out. Y'all, here's a little Patron, little bottle. It's like, you know, it's small, but hand size. Yeah. Little bottle. They're so cute. Oh shit. I feel like it don't taste the same as it tastes in this cup. Maybe got stirred up. Yeah, she gave it to us in the cup first.
The chips and salsa is really good. I normally would get guacamole, but
I don't like guacamole.
she don't like guacamole.
I don't like avocados.
So yes, this is so good.
Y'all.
Yeah, Kia got this calamari over here. Let me turn this light on so I can see this shit. I ain't eating it. She eating squid. She eating Squidward from SpongeBob. You like it?
Good, yeah.
Let me see.
So good. I like the tentacle one.
The tentacle? Oh, hell
It's like a
no.
little baby.
Oh, she bit it. What it taste like? But do it taste like chicken? It tastes like no goddamn chicken. I'm not eating no damn tentacles.
How are you ladies doing?
I'm fine.
Good. Did you want to put
She
over
trying to
the
make me
entrees?
eat damn tentacles. That's the tentacle ones for me.
Yes, they're really good.
I'm gonna
Yeah,
try
I
it
heard that the
though.
calamari is really good here. I'm not a fan of it, but yeah. The calamari, I don't eat calamari at all.
Me neither. I don't eat no squid.
No, and this, I'm tasting it now. This is perfect. Because it's not, it can get chewy.
Yes,
Like,
and it's
rubbery.
not chewy at all. It's nice and crispy. Like, I'll try it, but I won't.
You know what? To be honest, it doesn't taste bad. But for me, it's just that I know what it is. And I eat it.
Yeah, that's how I am too.
Yeah, this is so cute. It's like a little area over here. You got like little tikis and stuff.
I actually just finished getting my wisdom teeth pulled out. They pulled out all 4. And I got this mask on because I went to the store after it. So I don't know what happened to the audio right here, but I was saying that I had went to the store, so that's why I had the mask on, because I didn't want people looking at me like, what the world wrong with her mouth? But yeah, y'all, I had just got my wisdom teeth pulled, and my jaw's a bit because it's gauze in there, and that's pretty much it right here. I was just really updating on y'all what was going on or whatever. My phone died, so I'm going to finish on my phone. And then I had got this one here. It said Moscato, so I picked it up. I don't really know what they taste like, but yeah, I can't even eat most of that stuff right now because I got my teeth pulled. But yeah, I love these lobsters that come right here. Like, you defrost them, you season them up. You put them in the oven to cook them. I don't really use their butter. I use my stuff. I just get these because you can get 2 from Walmart for like $10, but sometime in the store, like they be like $8 for one. And then I got these crab cakes. I have never even had these before, like these particular ones, so I want to try them. I did get some of these spinach delights. I think these look really good. I don't know. I like Jimmy Dean products, so that'd probably be pretty good. I love these meals too. I usually have them in the morning for like my breakfast sometime. If I don't feel like making a shake, I would have them. Those. Yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all, it's something about fresh shrimp, but my favorite shrimp is the Great Value shrimp. The super colossal. I normally ever get super colossal or colossal. I don't really go no smaller than that. Y'all, these are so good. My mom is a chef and she's all about fresh food. When she tasted these, she only buy these now. These things are bomb. Like, I love Walmart shrimp. And them the only ones I like, because the other ones be tasting fishy, or they be smelling fishy. And I don't like that. I got some eggs. And then, yeah, I got these popsicles, which are 5 net carbs. So, you know, net carbs are supposed to be okay carbs. But yeah, even if they didn't have net, you know, subtracted net carbs, look at the total carbs. They're not that bad. They're not that bad. So yeah, but they have only 5 net carbs in there. So I do love to eat these. And I probably got 2 boxes. Yeah, I got 2 boxes because most of the time they be freaking sold out. So I got 2 boxes of those. And I think that's it from Walmart. So yeah, I'm gonna put these groceries up and then I'm gonna go lay down. I'm gonna take my pain medicine and then I'm gonna go lay down because I'm tired of talking. So I'll probably see y'all later on. Hey you guys, so I actually just got off work. Today is Monday. So I did just get off work. So my plan is to be able to pack a lot of you guys' orders from Poshmark. I have received a lot of orders, so from Poshmark. But yeah, I'll just be getting the orders together from Poshmark and getting them shipped out so I can drop them off at the post office tomorrow. So okay, so I got some of the orders out. Clearly I'm gonna like fold them up, put them in there, you know, nicely in the little bags. I'm about to get the labels printed out and stuff like that. Y'all, I still have so much more stuff to upload on Poshmark. Keep in mind, some of this stuff is still brand new with the tags on it. Some of it been worn only once. Some of it was only worn just to try it on in the haul video, but it probably don't got tags on it because probably the tag was showing. But most of these items are brand new. I did finish packing some of the Poshmark orders from last night. I really need to remember when I go into the post office to drop these off to grab the priority free boxes. I keep forgetting, so I keep having to use my bags from my boutique. Because y'all know I have an online boutique that y'all can also shop, which is actually like, you know, brand new stuff that I picked out. It's nothing like my Poshmark. It's my actual, you know, brand. And these are the bags that, you know, that comes with the stuff when y'all order from there. So I ran out of the UPS free boxes. So I was like, oh, let me just use these. But I really need to go get those boxes because those boxes are calculated in the price of Poshmark already. And I need to use. Hey, y'all. What's up? It's your girl, Portia. And today is a new day. What's today? Friday? Today is Friday and we're just getting out. I actually been in the house all week because I got my wisdom teeth pulled Tuesday. So I've been in the house chilling, you know, toothless. They pulled all 4. So that was crazy. But it wasn't really that bad though. It wasn't really that bad. The first 2 days, I was in pain. I was taking my medication, you know what I'm saying? I was drinking a little liquor at the same time, you know, to ease the pain. So it was all good, but now we outside. Jason got a haircut in like 2 hours. So we're about to run by this mall that I know that's over here. This mall that's like halfway empty. Oh, I'll put on my seatbelt because this shit about to get on my nerves. This mall that I know that's over here that's like halfway. I always thought it was a closed down mall, but I guess it's not a closed down mall. It looks closed down, but it has an LV store in there. So I want to look at some slides. So that's what we're about to go do while we wait on him to go get his haircut. Actually, I don't even know if we got enough time to do that. Your haircut is in 1 hour and 40 minutes. But yeah, I'll let y'all tune in with y'all when we get there. This boy got on the mask. I'll tune in with y'all when we get there, and then we see what they got going on. What?
We don't have to wear a mask.
I mean, some places you still need a mask, so we might need a mask, and I'm the one who ain't got one. If they do be like, oh, you need a mask. But all right, y'all.
Bruh.
What? Yeah, we're about to go into this little mall. Y'all, this mall look closed down. I always thought it was closed down. but it's not closed down. But I tell you one thing, these people rude as hell around here. But this mall, as empty as it is, it actually has a Louis Vuitton in this mall, which is weird because it's not even a designer mall, but for some reason.
Look bad.
Yeah, it's a nice mall. I don't know why it be so empty, but it be empty as hell. But we're gonna go into this LV store and look for some slides, because that's what I'm looking for. And then we gotta go, because Jason got to go get his hair cut. I got on my Skims, which are too big, by the way. So the everyday leggings, I can get those in a medium, because these things are huge. Huge. I mean, look at this. That is crazy. They're huge. This mall is big. I need a mask, because I sure didn't bring one. You be walking in front of the camera too. This little, this is actually cute. This is cute too. That's cute. This is cute. I feel like I can wear this as a crossbody bag too. I feel like I can wear this as a crossbody bag too. I kind of like this one. The Avery Huckleberry. This is kind of cute. See the difference of when you don't have the little
we're gonna see what they talking about on this one.
What time the movie start?
9:30. Y'all, this was my first time putting on press-on nails. Press-on nails. Clearly, I didn't do it right because I lost one already. Y'all, we out today again. We just out finna go see what's around Chicago. We're getting a quick snap. Jason over there. We're trying to maneuver around from all this traffic. Y'all, they got a DD's discount right there. I ain't never been in this one. This a new one. I want to go in there, but not today. We got a few stores I want to go to, and y'all, believe it or not, stores close early as hell in Chicago. They close at like 6 and 7. They do not be open late. Ain't no 9 and 10 o'clock here. We're gonna go to Primark. That store is huge, just like 3 stores. I actually never been to the one in Chicago. Only the one in Germany. But it's huge. Look at that lady on that bike. We're riding with the... She riding in the damn street like she a car. Yeah, we had to get parking. We didn't got parking. Everybody know that parking in Chicago high as hell. It'd be like $30 for 2 hours. So I don't even know if we're going the right way. Put Primark in your map. Is it this way?
Yeah.
Walking our way downtown, walking fast. Some. Do. So I'll see y'all when we get in Poshmark. Because apparently, I swear I parked on the same street that Primark was on. But for some reason, we in a whole nother area. I see y'all in a minute. Because this is crazy. Video way. Where's my child? So it's 3/4 of shit. I don't know where your section is. This is my section. I want to go to the accessories. Yeah, the swimsuit areas. Look, 90 cents. 90 cents.
But you giving me
go. And he come back. They got shorts right here. This whole store, and you come back with 2 pair of jeans. You try them on? I know they got more than 2 pair of jeans. All these shorts. You mean to tell me? I don't even think you got no shorts that color, that light color right there. Oh, those are cute. You like these?
Yeah.
How much are they?
These
$20.
Them was 23. New jeans.
Yeah, they cheap. I'm gonna see if they finna let me exchange these slides for something else. Cause I don't like them. And I got them a long time ago too. Damn, there wasn't nobody in this line just a minute ago. That shit crazy. I want to, you know what? It is so many people down here. Everybody ain't your friend. Everybody ain't your friend. Oh, you missed it. How you miss with the chill, man? Y'all is can y'all continue to walk? Y'all is in the way. You didn't win that one, sir. Okay, to make a long story short of what we seen that happen, the guy with the khaki shorts was sitting there with his microphone playing music. The other guy came and just snatched his microphone down and broke his shit and threw it on the ground. So the other man hit him with the microphone pole, and then the other man tried to hit him with a chair, but he missed, and then the dude just walked off like nothing happened. We don't know. I'm just gonna get the purse that I was gonna get at first, that I seen in Neiman's the other day. I'm just gonna get the purse in here since I want to exchange the slides. If she let me exchange them, because y'all, I had these slides for like 4 months. She's still trying to show me these ugly ass bags, y'all. So that one, no. But this one is kind of cute. I seen this one, but like, isn't this in a smaller version? Like, I swear I seen this in like a small, but I'm more of like a, like, this is like, I'm grown, but it's like grown. You know, I like the little throw over the shoulder.
Yeah, this one you can make into a crossbody.
So I think that is just so structured. It's so like thick that I'm like, is the other one not available?
Oh no, it is. I just want to, I know you said instant gratification.
I know, I am. This one is just, I think it would be cute if it was like,
have it in like a square mini bag we just got in.
Let me see. Keep showing me these ugly ass bags. I already told you the bag that I want. I want the bag that I seen in Neiman's yesterday. Like the little camera bag, but with a. Nah, it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
No.
I can deal with not leaving with the bag. It can come to my house.
Okay.
That's the bag, right? Can I see it one time?
Yeah, of course. Is this yours? Oh no, you can take it. Yeah, I brought it out the shower.
That green is lit though.
It is.
I think it's only lit because I got on green right now.
Do you wear like a lot of neutrals and like a lot of nudes?
Yeah. In
your color palette? Oh, it's gonna be a nice little pop color.
Yeah.
I do the same too. Did you order it?
Yeah, the other
nice.
color though.
Oh, the beige.
Yeah.
Nice.
No. It's cute, but I'm more of a the other color.
Okay, my dear, you are all set. You should be getting that email confirmation.
Neiman's. Neiman Market. Oh, is it locked? Neiman Marcus.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Hey y'all, we at TGI Friday. I was just telling Jason I ain't ate at TGI Friday since I was about to say I ain't ate at TGI Friday since Afghanistan because we had a TGI Friday on the airbase. But actually, I ain't ate at TGI Friday since Korea because there was one inside the movie theater. So yeah, so like 2016. No, because I was in Kuwait. So 2015, that was the last time I probably ate at TGI Friday. They used to have this drink. Oh, they still got it, baby. Yes, ma'am. Cotton candy drink, they still got it. Period. I don't know which one. Which one is it? It's the one with, oh yeah, the Cotton Candy Cosmo Boo. Period. It ain't new, but they always had a drink that had cotton candy in it. So they must have remixed it because it used to be called the Martini or something like that. But yeah, y'all, this has been a full day. We really got out of the house late. We were supposed to be out of the house at like 9 so we could be downtown at like 10. We did not get down here till like, what, 2:30? Like 3:30. So we went to Primark, we went to Burberry, Fendi, Neiman Marcus, and shit. Yeah, we went to a lot of places. It was a good day.
Hello, bud.
Hello.
How are we doing today?
Oh, that's my favorite word, love bug.
Oh, yay. Well, my name is Jamila. I'll be taking care of you all.
Hi.
Do we need a few minutes?
You know what you get in?
The precautions.
Okay, I gotta do it myself.
Yeah. They don't want us touching it, pouring it, and all that kind of stuff. But what you can do, put your hand on top of the black, shake it up a bit, and then put the cotton candy in the glass.
Okay, put my cotton candy in first.
Yep, cotton candy first, and pour it in. Let me taste it.
Huh? Boy, I know you fucking lying. That's all you get, bro. This boy my drink. Quit playing. Quit playing with me. Quit playing with me. Quit playing with me. All right, you can have a little bit more. That's it. Well,
all that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness.
hey y'all, good morning. It's actually not really the morning, it's like the afternoon, but I'm just like getting up, and because you know, yesterday I had ordered groceries and the groceries have made it here. So all the groceries are here, have been delivered. So like I said, the groceries is here, so I'm just going to get ready to organize the refrigerator, get some of this old stuff out of the refrigerator, and just try to make the refrigerator look better. I do plan on redoing the refrigerator, making it more organized. Like, I don't know, I'm just really digging like making the refrigerator look cohesive and like, you know, plain and stuff like that, like just organized. Like, I love my refrigerator look like that, which is why I got containers and stuff like that. But this thing is raggedy.
Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day, and when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn into morning dew, then you feel it freshen and lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place now. My place is your place, let's face it. Baby, you know all the places. Places. My place is your place. My place. Your place is my place. Just face it. No one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you do. I do. Baby, don't stop. Got the key to the lock, we in our own zone. Make yourself at home, get to know mine on the inside. We can meet at yours next time. And you feel it freshen and lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place now. My place is your place, let's face it. Baby, you know all the places.
what I got from the stores, and then yeah, we're gonna close this vlog out because I am tired. Fendi, and from Fendi I had got this little cap. I'm trying to like the little bucket bag that goes with the cap, but I don't know because I didn't know that bag was that small. That bag is really small. And I didn't know that bag was that small. So I'm like, do I even really like that bag? I don't know. I don't know now because the bag was really small. But I did get the little hat. So I do want something to go with it, whether it's some slides or a little crossbody purse or something. Y'all seen me in Neiman Marcus, so I did get these shoes, these Balenciaga shoes right here, and I think they're so cute. The little pink color. I think the pink color is absolutely gorgeous. Also, I picked up these Christian Louboutin shoes. Period. Super cute. I just like these. They just so neutral. And then these, I got some all black ones, all white ones. Now I got these tan ones. So I think I want to sell my all white ones though because I want some different ones. Y'all see me go to Burberry, but to return some supplies. Y'all didn't see what I got because it's going to come in the mail. So when it come into the mail, I'll show you. But then I picked up some socks, some Versace socks, because they was pink and I can wear them with my Balenciagas. Even though when I go to Houston in a few weeks, I'm gonna get me some pink Balenciaga socks. Y'all know I'm addicted to candles. So you know when you get so many points, you get you get $16.50 for free. So every time I get a $16.50, I always get like a candle holder. So this was $15.95. I always get like a candle holder. But this one I'm returning because this one is chipped. But I don't know because it's chipped at the bottom. No, it's not chipped at the bottom. It's chipped at the top. I could glue it back. It was free. I mean, I could glue it back because they probably not have another one. So I could glue it back because they don't have another. Yeah, so I could glue it back because it was free. But I don't know. I haven't made up my mind.
I don't need no roses on my bed. I could pull you closer to me, babe. Ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. Calling you up at 2 in the morning, but you don't wanna talk, you don't wanna bother. Yeah, so I took another shot, let my brain do the walking.